Hi, my name's Pete with the Mac Guys Plus, and today we're going to learn how to change our settings on our date and time.
Now there are two simple ways to get to date and time. The first way is pointing to your date and time in your upper right hand corner, clicking, and then being able to open the date and time preferences. And that brings us right to our date and time preferences window. The other way to get to our date and time preferences would be through our Apple menu, going to System Preferences, clicking, and the System Preferences window opens. From the System Preferences window, we can choose Date and Time under System, click the icon, and we're here. Now, being here, we have three different options to work with: Date and Time, Time Zone, and Clock. Date and Time, we're able to look at the date, our calendar years, and also our time. Now, to make changes, you may have to unlock your system in order to make applicable changes. To unlock the lock, simply click on the lock, and as you see here, we are presented with the question, what is the password? Simply type in your password, and our lock opens, and we're able to make changes. Setting up start. So now we would be able to make changes in our calendar month or make changes to the clock. Looking at our time zones, we're presented with a map of the world, and what we want to do here is basically click as close to our region or area as possible if you'd like to click and get as close. Or you can go to the drop-down menu and find out as where you are and the closest major city to you. In our case, we are going to choose Minneapolis, United States. Now, if we wanted to change specific clock settings, such as if we want to have a digital clock, as it's set to now, or an analog clock, as it's set, we'll move it back to digital. And then if we have digital, we are able to have different displays. We can use a 24-hour clock. We can flash the time separators, which would be blinking colon in between the time. And we can also show the day of the week or show date, Monday, March 28th. Let's just leave it as show day of the week. And we can also have the choice to announce the time, such as once it's 3 o'clock, voice on the computer will say it's 3 o'clock. Tends to, that is an option to choose. But as per setting up date and time, that's how simple it is.